Welcome back everyone. Time to do another unboxing, I guess, of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now forget about the setup because it's very weird, but this is the best I got going for me right now. Now unboxing this thing is pretty much going to be the same exact process as pretty much every other iPhone as before it. You go and take the plastic off right here, and then the plastic is off. You go and lift the box just like so, and as you can see, nothing sticks up to the top unlike Samsung, but you have the phone here, which is really cool. Now this is a really big phone. I was not expecting this phone to be this, actually I take that back. I was expecting it to be this big, but it's very heavy as well. I'm actually pretty surprised about it. I just unboxed the iPhone 12 mini, and I guess it's like a weird thing going from that big phone to this one. Now booting it on, let's go and see what happens, and it's going to boot into the Apple logo. There we go. It still feels extremely premium, almost exactly the same thing as my iPhone 12 Pro, which felt extremely premium as well. The whole entire sides of it look really good. I got the silver version. I'm actually really happy about it, or I don't know if this is silver or white. It's probably the white one, I don't know. Frosted back, triple camera setup, a LiDAR sensor for sure. I mean, the heaviness to it and the premiumness, like I don't think I could daily this phone. This phone is a really big, like too big for my hands. But I'll go and compare the sizes to the other phones in a second. We have the charging cable right here, USB-C. We have, paper and docks right here and the Apple sticker inside. And that's really pretty much it for the unboxing. I mean, there's really not too much more inside of the box. Again, the box is much smaller than the previous models, which I think is okay. I guess they have to do what they have to do. Now, comparing the sizes, I have the iPhone 12 Pro right next to it. And you can see that overall, I mean, it's definitely a much bigger phone. And I'm not even just saying like it's kind of bigger. Like I could not use this phone. My hands are too small. I know you guys are going to make fun of them, but I wouldn't feel comfortable using a phone like this unless I always have like my finger right here so it doesn't like fall. My 12 Pro is like the perfect size. I think it feels really good. I was thinking about using this phone as the main phone. I think it's too big for it. And even funnier, here's the iPhone 12 mini. And again, it's just so funny. Like, look how much bigger this phone is than the iPhone 12. I mean, it's just so funny. And, I mean, both of them have their pros and cons, but the 12 Pro Max is definitely the far bigger one here. And I do have my 11 Pro Max right here too. And you can see that it is a little bit bigger, but it's very subtle. It's not like a huge amount of difference. If I go and stack them up on one another, I don't think you'll be able to see a crazy big difference. As you can see, a little bit like it's kind of shoves up to the sides, and it's definitely not as tall. It's like wider in every dimension, but it's definitely not that big of a difference if I'm being honest. Now the screen itself looks really good, and this thing just feels like a massive device. Like I'm not actually hating it. Like I actually think this is really cool. I think a lot of people will definitely like this, but even something like the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it just kind of felt better in the hand. I think because of the curved sides, it made it feel a little bit better to feel. I think when you have a phone like this that's this big with flat sides, it kind of makes it feel a little bit different, which isn't a problem, but the flat sides kind of make it feel a little bit thicker, and the curved sides made it feel a little bit thinner in a way, even though this phone may actually be thinner as Apple stated. Now, I don't think that's a problem inherently, but that could be an issue if you're like using an iPhone 11 Pro Max and you're just getting by. Like with the 11 Pro Max here, I was just getting by with it. When I was using an iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, the same size as it, I was pretty much just getting by. And when you have a phone like this and you're just pushing it, I don't think a lot of people will probably understand that the flat sides make it feel a little bit thicker. Just keep that in mind. And a lot of people may be weirded out by it because this phone's supposed to be thinner, and it may be thinner than the thickest point of the 11 Pro Max. But because there were the curved sides here, it made it feel a little bit thinner, and it made it feel a little bit easier in the hand. With the 12 Pro Max, it just feels a little bit bigger because it is a bigger phone, so kind of keep that in mind. But the screen looks beautiful. Everything about the phone looks really awesome. I think the buttons and just the stainless steel sides feel really, really good. The top doesn't have anything. The power button's on the side, the on-off switch right here, the mute. Like, it feels really, really good. Like, it feels like a really, really good machine. And if you like a big phone, then this is definitely it for you. Unfortunately, it has a smaller battery than the 11 Pro Max, which is sad, but everything else about this phone, I mean, if it's anything like the iPhone 12 Pro that I've been using for the last several weeks now, I think this is going to be a really, really great phone too. So I'll do a bunch of comparisons and reviews and all that stuff very, very soon, but that really pretty much covers it up for now. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.